Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka hello Meghalaya ka bade ka rinsan ka bakintiyo ki sap ki phong ki pat ba ka Jylla kala punlong ka jing Rakhe ka sngi ka put ka tem na ka World Music Day ha ka sngi sa jan ka ar photrik Jylla ar jar ar pun Riew na ka jing sam Khusnam Hello Meghalaya Music Award shaki Riew Donsap ba pher la ka put ka tem ka rwai ka siaw bat shaki nong snap lim ka Jylla Yakni ka program ka bala punlong SRGT Polo Shillong la sami ki Khusnam ba pher bakintup ka best folk song, best pop song, best hip hop rap, best gospel song, best collaboration, best music video, best original soundtrack, best inspirational song, best female artist, best male artist, best rock artist non-HM, best independent artist of the year, best MGMP artist non-HM, emerging artist of the year, song of the year, but icon of the year. La sami kini ki Khusnam do minti rangba ka Jylla ukan rat sangma kumukong san la don ring ka ru hakani ka program do Dr. Vijay Kumar IAS Commissioner and Secretary Tourism Department kumjuru ka nongwai bapau ka Jylla ka daya phi lamare ka budgetip kum ka rebel ka balapau kum ka nongwai haba ka rwai ha ka film Durandar ka baak do Ranveer Singh ka balkani lot ye baro ki film Hindi ladai nu jor bat ki wei ki film haba pin I hagi cinema Hadian balakot ke program Sam Award nakaliang undang san Hima ulayo banekran bat ki katuk ani ki bala job iki Khusnam ba pher ki bala pinpau ye ka jingkemen ba ki layo ekani ka award haki kerdan ba pher ki lai khublei ru ye uminti rangba ka Jylla ukan rat sangma ublala banwanra ekani ka rinsan Hello Meghalaya ka bala aila ki para samla bakin pin I ki sap ki phong
And that's why you're aware that we have already announced that our next big ticket project is going to be having a film city and a film institute here in Shillong. That is something that we are very, very keen to do. It's a very big project. It's a massive project. It's a dream that we have. I'm not saying that we can do it tomorrow, but as I've always mentioned to you, we believe in thinking big and dreaming big, and we achieve it also. You know that. Nobody thought many years back that the Hello Meghalaya platform would reach this kind of a level that it has reached today. So we will do it. We have already announced that we will be having the Music Institute in Tura. This is also something that is very, very important to us. Because I've been mentioning this again and again that while we have MGMP, where we have 7,000 artists today who are supported through MGMP, never happened before. Again, this is because of the feedback we got from all of you. As soon as I got the feedback, I could again link it to myself. When I remember 30 years back, I used to wish I could perform in some, bar or some restaurant or some tourist spot. But there was no platform. So we created that platform for you. But I would like to see that while you are just simply performing in bars and doing maybe cover numbers, the real music is in original music that we need to create. And I would like to see that our musicians, so some of you are like me, I know A, B, C, D, G, the G, C, D, E minor, E flat, fine, we know all of that. But we need to technically get into different aspects of training our musicians to be able to read and write music and certifying them. We need to be able to create the ecosystem of being able to immediately record a music, record a song as soon as you want to do it, at a reasonable cost, when you want it. And there should be many, many studios that start doing that. I would like to see promotion of studios. I would like some of you to start looking at production of music in that commercial sense. I would like to see how the fusion of music between the Khasi, the Bnar or the Kajentia or Garo culture, the local music we have, how it could be lined with the music that we're having at the national level, at international level, the fusion that can take place and create something that people have never heard before. That is the creativity that we need to aspire. And I know that you have the talent to do it. I think we need to push our policies, push the ecosystem to be able to provide that kind of space to you. Once again, I'm truly excited to be part of this award program. I do apologize for making this into a long, boring speech. I can see some heads just dropping while I was speaking. But it is important for you to see the larger picture. It's important for you to understand what we are trying to do. It's not just an award evening. So many people may tomorrow talk about this award evening and say, oh, government is again spending on these awards. It's not about expenditure. These are real investments. These are game-changing moments. These are small but inspiring and motivating moments that may change the lives of some of you or maybe all of you. And that is that little moment that, as I said, I always say we look for. To be able to provide that spark to you. To make you feel that you have achieved what you have achieved at this point, but there are miles to go. And that is really what we're trying to do out here. Once again, I congratulate the team for this wonderful program that you're having. I wish you the very best. And those of you who will win, of course, many, many congratulations. And it's not about winning always. It's really about the music and enjoying the process, enjoying the journey, enjoying the moment. And realizing that you make friends through this. I hope that you guys will meet other musicians out here, other filmmakers. You'll have a society, a community of your own, and start doing great and amazing things. So that's what we are trying to do out here in our small way. We'll continue to work together with all of you. And once again, as I said, I wish you all the very best. Whether you win or whether you don't win, please don't take it in any serious way. But as I said, enjoy the moment and be part of this entire movement that is taking place and try to positively contribute. There can be a lot of negativity that can come out. You can always find faults and mistakes in everything. And I'm not saying we're perfect. But if you keep looking at the mistakes and faults, I think we're missing the big picture. I hope that you will always be positive. I hope you'll always support us, work with us, and encourage us also to continue to working with you and making things better. Looking forward to a wonderful evening, and once again, wishing all of you the very best for the future. Thank you very much.
Song. Come on, stand up and cheer. Be loud, be proud. Do not let this energy drop for a single second. The Honorable Chief Minister is watching your energy with you. The nominees for the Best Folk Song Awards are a round of applause for the nominees, ladies and gentlemen. And the winner for the Best Folk Song category is Valerine Ameda Fongsit for Kolapla. Valerine, please come up fast. Valerine, please come up fast. Come on, friends, keep the energy going. Let's give them a round of applause and encourage them as much as possible. For the Best Folk Song, these are songs that are stuck in your head for the past few days or even for the last 6 months. Ladies and gentlemen, the nominees for the Best Pop Song Artist are Before I announce the awards, I would request our dignitaries who have accompanied our Honorable CM to kindly please come back on stage and also help give out the awards. Ladies and gentlemen, the award for the Best Pop Song goes to Wanjak Sokle Jing Yubi. Come on, put your hands together for Wanjak Sokle, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we move on to the next category, Best Hip Hop and Rap. Here are the nominees. Let's hear your encouragement, ladies and gentlemen. Keep your applause going, please. All right, here to represent and to win the award goes to Riew Boys for Honey Butter. Thank you to Sovedik and Sagnik. Congratulations, Riew Boys for Honey Butter. And the winner for the Best Gospel Song goes to Achazia Asako Dishira. Jesus Came to My Birthday. Come on, let's put our hands together for Achazia, ladies and gentlemen. Well, inspiration comes in all sorts of types. Alright, and the people who collaborated best and the winners for Best Collaboration category, Damien, Meraki and Pitch. Ladies and gents, the winner for the Best Music Video Award goes to Dr. Sandy Aranwar, Eddie War, and Roger War for Kola Palang. Please come forward. Ladies and gents, let's put your hands together for Team of Kola Palang. Thank you to Bawar and Badhar for coming up on stage. On let's hear all. And the award goes to Do, Eric, and Xan for the short film relaunch. Eric and team, please come up. Thank you once again, and let's clap once again, ladies and gentlemen, for Eastern Group. What an inspiration, what a song. Please do check out their other songs on YouTube and all social media platforms. Once again, the winner for the Best Inspirational Song on maybe the biggest concert platform here in Meghalaya or even in the world. This is the first ever Icon of the Year. This is for a body of work that has not only defined Meghalayan music, but carried it to places that it had never been before. Someone has shown every young artist in the state what it looks like to stay true and represent where you come from, no matter how far beyond you go. In the past year, her voice, her lyrics, and her unmistakable energy have been heard by millions across the country and the world, especially bursting into national spotlight with her standout performances on the blockbuster Dhurandhar soundtrack, collaborating with some of the biggest names in this industry and proving that talent from the Northeast belongs at the very center of India's music scene. Ladies and gents, you all know who I'm talking about. She's bold, she's fearless, she's unapologetically original. The first ever Hello Meghalaya Icon of the Year award goes to Rebel!
Always against, like, you know, something that is personal.
Let's have a few more pictures. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, put your hands once again for Rebel!
I would like for more girls to do that.
I'm your huge fan. So my question today, was there a woman that this is it, what you are doing in your life today?
You mean like a moment where I
Yeah, a
decided-
woman when you mean, I mean that a moment then you think then
That this is it.
that this is it, yeah.
Yeah, I think ever since I started doing music, I always felt like this is it. I've never felt different. I think ever since I was small, I always knew that this was gonna happen. And I think it's very important to feel that way every day.
Okay, thank you. Keep rocking.
Thank you.
Can we have the second question, please?
I also have a question for you. What's something about making music in Shillong that people outside Meghalaya that just don't get?
You mean, what is it that we have that people don't understand? Okay, I think it's a story. You know, when you come from a place like this, you have to have like very big dreams. And I think we have a very unique story to tell. I think that's something that you know, we should help people understand, not look at it as something as, oh, they don't get us, or they don't understand us, but like maybe this is something that is different about us and something that can actually drive our art. I hope that answers it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So,
I'm also a fan, so I have the right to ask a question too. So, you have really taken, you know, the entire country by storm. You are an icon for so many of our youngsters. And I'm sure, especially in this crowd, so many look up to you. Do you have a message for them as well as for the lakhs of youth that are there in our state? So, what would your message be to our youth, and especially to our musicians?
First of all, thank you so much for having me here. It's really an honor, and I'm so glad that you appreciate what I'm doing. It really is an honor. Thank you so much. All right, answering the question is, to the musicians and to the youth of you know, Meghalaya, I think, like I said, we have a story. We have so much talent. Earlier, we didn't have things like this, you know, a music award. That was not something I ever thought of when I was still in Shillong. It was more of, I need to get out of here so I could do something. But now, you guys have a platform, you have something, and you need to like utilize that. You need to really go out there because the kind of talent that's here, you guys have no idea. I've done what I could, you know, I've gone out, I've worked with many amazing musicians across the country, also worked with a lot of, few, like, not a lot, I mean a few international artists, and I think the thing that we have here is very special. You guys may not realize that because sometimes when you're in a small bubble, you might not understand how special it is, you know, that thing that you have. Like, you really need to go out there and show them. And once you go out there, you'll realize just how good you are. Like, you guys are so amazing. Like, from, I was watching all the performances, you know, since the first one, the choir, the kids, everybody, you guys are so good. Like, you have no idea how good you are, and you really need to believe that. Like, we need more people. Thank you.
Congratulations to you. My question to you is, when you hear Icon of the Year, who's the first person you want to share that with?
Icon of the Year? Was that the name of the award?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I am very, yeah, my mind's always in different places. You mean who would I want to share this with, right? I think everybody who helped me out. Like, when I was in Shillong, you know, Demon, he was making music with the Khasi Bloods. And he started this thing, you know, he helped out a lot of young artists. I was just another young artist trying to make music, and there was Demon. There was a Nak. Nak is not here today, but he's been DJing with me for since I started out. You know, we did Boiler Room together, we did Rolling Loud together, we did NBA together, we did so many things together. You guys have no idea. Like, it's been such a personal journey. So if I have to share this, I'd share this with the people who helped me. You know, definitely Mon, definitely Nak, and everybody who was there when I started out, because it did start out in this city, and I would like to give, you know, everybody their flowers as well. So yeah, definitely Mon and Nak.
Meghalaya. Thank you. And the winner for Best Rock Open category, non-Hello Meghalaya, goes to Tengban for Mama's Got Rakhe. Alright, I think I gave away a little bit of the name of the artist. The winner for the Best Independent Artist Open category, non-Hello Meghalaya, goes to Lily Sawian for Paro. Okay, ladies, make some noise. I hope it can be better than before. The winner for the Best Female Artist category goes to Very Mary Langte for Karam Ime. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's put your hands together for Very Mary Langte, winner of the Best Female Artist Award. Well, the winner for the Best Male Artist goes to Jylla for Leisure Bare Hinam. Congratulations, Jylla and one more time, put your hands together for Best Male Artist Award. Emerging Artist of the Year. Once again, with a huge round of applause, let's welcome the winner of the Emerging Artist of the Year Award. Joe Dickinson Siangshai for Duck Luck Isnya. Congratulations, Joe. Please come forward. Please defined it, and our judges found every part, every aspect of the winner's song to fit this category of Song of the Year. Let's have first the nominees for the Song of the Year. Come on, let's hear energy. These are the nominees for Song of the Year. Well, friends, there's a table in front of you. There's no drum, but can we have some table drum roll, please? Oh yeah, come on, come on, come on. Let's bring the energy up louder, louder, louder. And the winner for the Song of the Year award goes to Section Emle for Shikaram Tinkai. I want to hear your loudest of energy, ladies and gentlemen, for Song of the Year. Again, going to Section Emle for Shikaram Tinkai. Thank you to the winners, and thank you to our dignitaries on stage.
Aku berdoa rasu banai ngoy ublay bang layo yang ban tiru senjam bangi layo kadang ka award jokan ka Hello Meghalaya best inspiration bat kumjuru kamtam chief minister jengi Sri Korat Sangma bila nakapor ya kinti ngi ki artist bane ngi ki ginong rai nong put dam bangin ki saprang hagi ke bangi tmu kamtam ki miang ba fuloi ka passion bat fuluru ya ka dream.
Mentak singing job niyo ya kani ka award best inspirational kadai lengba ka jingrai jong katakan disability anthem echoes of unity.
Maka benda kena ka platform Hello Meghalaya. Ka jingni ki joki tong ai ne mesti be Donsap.
Hoi kani ka ai kataka ka ai mensim ya kini ki Riew ki Donsap ki kena samla jongi menta kamta mi ki tuli ki ba Tristam ban penkiu la kisap le ka adan jing mentoi sebab pelat lengba ke jing don jong ka Hello Meghalaya app kani OTT platform bat kumjuru kala yarap sibon kita ki ba film ki ba ruai ki ba put batem hakinu ki rukom kan
namar kumangir ma pilalabi kata bamangi gi namo kumangang ipita ba gibul ki struggles ki challenges ka jing menjongi hera wala kataru ka songo ba ka government mentapat kala yakinti ngi kun samla bagi kisah perang kisap ki pang jongi bagi perbau sa kapertai. Thank you Chief Minister Saksien. Habai deh bukan Hello Meghalaya yang first time habai deh bukan ka OTT platform tu limba kan ka disability anthem berkamtam ngasunguru ka SRCDA berhangir ngidon bagi manager jengi ini di Bajio Josaya Lingwa di manager jong kan ka band jengi di lingba jong iru ila ay kan ka platform yang ima bagian ruah kan ka SRC kamtam iki nampanya juga SRC kamtam Commissioner Office Commissioner for Person with Disabilities.
Sejangga tak kedi dekala tak nak wana juai dan wei dujur ruai leng. The job you got award for the category Best MGMP Artist.
Kresin betul na tiba pinjam mereka komen. Mereka sin kebakaran.
Kong do ini bagi award lesnya kemen ha. Teman saya best for kiki bertu lesnya nyau kemen tang tau kemen ada talent kau dia. Player ya ke Hello Meghalaya yo CM pada organize semua event ke Hello Meghalaya Music Awards dan we tak pada joy dan wow wah yo karo ki local artist mah yo kunku ki sub yang ki le MP wani sub le ye man di berwai no chat no siap kami cepat am jore kedon tak wa jore kedon ki le never ki to comfort zone yang ki what would you want that I just want to tell all the youths to risk it and because everything is possible. So yes, that's it. That's all I want to tell the youth to give all your give yourself, give your best and do everything you can to achieve and yes, because them kam kan niga lata kam kan niga Hello Meghalaya them ko there ko au punya sap yang pi ro gi bru bet ba ki dem sap bawa UCM de bo kam kan niga lat Hello Meghalaya MGMP there ro de gi pu chim benda eleng acting dancing kiwa kiwa em sur le ro de ko au ro ki le yo chim pi punya pi sap yang pi there kita ada ni kebelas
Mga dari Mbak Josephus thong ni hang ni bangai doni sa Demian Jerwa. Hagan ni kesngi ngiyo ya ka jingjob kum ka best collaboration music video ka kerteng jong ka jingruai ke dari Rise Meghalaya. Ya ka ni ka jingruai ngilashna kum ka jingruai ban Aiman Sim ya kinong yalam jungi ki badon kamtam ya ka surkar ba kilale baha ban kentiu yang ia ki khun samla ia ki rudon sap berkampam ia ka karoi kapar jong ka Jylla telengba gane ka jingruai ngi ai mansim ya kinong yalam wara pedeng bud kicing bakinang yai tur sikmat barkinang sei ki sap ki pom jongki banelam ne ka Jylla agani jingruai ngi yo best collaboration namar ngi le trelang bad ka Kunhun Sicilia choir nangta ru barka Hello Meghalaya nangta ha kikintin jong kecing ruai la ruai lang ha kitin garu tin penar barkitin kasih tumjuru ha kene ka music video ngilaya don lang ru bun ki artis kumi sa Desmond nangta I tengnang dai sa Demian I nangta iba Agustin kurba bat kumjuru kumang mene ka Saint Cecilia choir isu kumen du kata bangiyo ya kene ka jing itu ya ka jing tres tom jungi bat ya ka jing simbata jungi keban senai kene ka jing ruai rice Meghalaya nangkiu syuprang ka Jylla Meghalaya jungi im selam kino alam jong ka Jylla
Okay. Ready? Okay. So hi everyone, ngadai DJ Ryan, nga Shongsa ha Shnong Juai, and today ha kaneka Hello Meghalaya Music Award. Kalong ka program busong tanad, it is a well organized program. Special thanks to Konrad Sangma, Sir Konrad Sangma for this opportunity. Baliwan rakum kaneka platform na kabenta ka industry po Meghalaya mo galing jonga.
Di kanu kibai simenta kibai kontes kaneka.
Ha kaneka kategori jonga tharai maybe 5 6 or 7 tharai dengan bakala. Aklem pajba.
Kena disin bakal apa pinjam?
This is the first time. Kena the first time. Last time bakilek ngaklem nominate ila day. But this time I'm so happy kawai so tunan namar ngaklem nominate ngaklem ai kerteng roh ne henry kila calling an po Hello Meghalaya ki ong nominate pi and to biang ladapi nominate mo. So I'm so happy. Thank you to the Hello Meghalaya team also at the same time. And last aku banai ko boleh ngalong mo ni dengan job ro is okay namar balai haka porba kipan votes ngai kumbasan spatam kiba comment yang ngam sungutu kumno henry. But thank you everyone for your support and always remember lots of love from DJ Ryan. Kani din betajong pi guys. Thank you so much.
Ni kaya lembak ka view ka comment ka.
Ngam tip ki ong 40% na ki pajba and 60% kini ki judge. Kumiyo sa ngomene ki don langot ki judge and also thank you ki judge ruba pila jet yang ha kani ka kategori.
Kaya ka jai mesin macam ni ki perasaan
ka jingai mesin jonga kalong kumne ngimla ban shu pos new mong la banong cannot just dream tanggo ing la ban long ba get out na comfort zone ka jong pi and then kay ba pikwa niam bang tu if you want to produce you want to become a DJ mendon menum persenge EP. So I just want to say to all the youths mde tang youths long kami long pa kani platform na kabenta jong ibaro ke nong Meghalaya tele kay ba pikwa wanam le ranyo wanam sange because kay ba bitrang pinyo ba tangkatan leng jonga. Thank you
to kena platform lo kaya kaya rap ni kisah bakit ni ka sa
kaya rap shibon ngangan ong kumno before ngim yo lateng ong kumno ni struggle financially ban leke ke kambat through Hello Meghalaya platform mentang yo ka pe ngila ban survive mentang yo kumbo tulop sarkar la dangi submit video man lau banai ngi yo pe man lau banai an nganong kumno ngila ban roam freely ngila ban shoot music video ngila ban song haying ban produce music om kuman shwam don financially mo ban yarap yingi ta Hello Meghalaya kaya rap sisya na say I will say 100% kala yarap yingi. So I cannot deny the fact but Hello Meghalaya ka take a platform ka ba penimja ya baro ki artist for this one.
Di nak itu niat benda kawan yang kasih ke kisah.
Kini ke Khusnam ke bangayo nganumong bagadi ke Khusnam ke jonga. Namar bagadi ke Khusnam ke ba dehok ba ipa idi benyo ya ke Khusnam. Namar paling kenya kata kalau namar ba ipa ida tresitom ha na kamka kini ke jingwai ko lapalang ho ila du no yo I bat ke ba ila trei ya bun ki kambat ila trei sisa na du men sim bat kon suong no ngangalong pang unong petulun ya ka kam ka ba ile bat na sudak ba ka jing so komen ba kini ka kam ka jong I ka yo jing itu la ka long ha kini ka music award lapalong da Hello Meghalaya pat ngai ku blei ya ki porok ki blai don bentalang ha kini ka project tiba kentup na do I el para boleh don lang mendirect ya kani ka music video nang ta de klem deklet ya I viralin di balam nata de ya udawan banyak polo ki cast and crew jong kani ke music video ko la palang kepala belong ba nginyo ya kani Khusnam.
Dan itu beda kani ka music video jadi apa tutup iu ka awak iu.
Kani ke music video ke ba nginyo menta ngirong haki art kategori. Kawai ke ka best folk kabala yo dari viralin amida concert but kawai ke ka best music video.
Mut kani ka awak music video atli awak.
Kawai ngiyo atli kawan.
Kila kipet nak kani ka awak pet nak view nak kata.
Kat kum ke jing itu ke baki itu kinong penyat nak hello Meghalaya ki ong ba ya kani ke music award kidon kila la bisar ya ki da laingut kinong bisar kita kiba ngakmau kolong iwe ide iba timi hujan iwe ide iba ram suciang bat iwe ide ipolok pa garo iba ngam da kamau keteng bat kasimru ya ka vote na kipat ba kaba katum ke jing itu ke jong ki ong ba ke jing bisar kisim 100% bat ya ka vote jong ba kilong 100%.
Ya betul kini aku dia mengenai ke Hello Meghalaya itu PE tu kita Donsap dia akalah.
Kani ka OTT platform Hello Meghalaya tengala banong hi bakali ka wei na karansan ka ba alat ba ya ki bobon ki samla. Namar ba ngiyo i ba lembaga ni ka OTT platform ngiyo i ba kisamla ki jongi lesi ngila banong ba kip haka bo jongki wat ngaru lesi nganong la hiru bangat tendi ya kinu ki bangadon ke bangat kiba lesi ngadon haladi dai hari lembaga ni ka Hello Meghalaya ngiyo i bang ngiyo ya ki jingirap ngiyo ya ki jingirap ka hakal yang kepisah ngiyo ki jingirap ba menginyo rensan du ya ki bobun ki sap ki bangi dan ya kinu ki project ke bangi dan
Barok ki Riew ki khmi ya kalawai babha ki wat ya kajaka bansan kajaka ban kiyo shaprang.
MIT University Meghalaya man kasni kalong ke jing sedang bathuma ki jingikai bapura katkom kejok ke bamta. Ke MIT University kadan bonjait ki course pat ki jingikai. Kum ka fashion design, filmmaking, communication design, music, BBA, MBA, sports management, nursing, BTech, computer science, BSW, MSW, but QA.
Ha MIT University Meghalaya ki jingtrang jongpi shaka jingjop ki urlong, but ki galalong ka jingshisha. MIT University Meghalaya kajingya lenti kabastang syakalawai bacok.